just come out for a walk today. We'll have a little scan around. A couple of plans I've got. Might try to get 2 videos out actually. One just update of nest already found, and maybe new nests from today. Hopefully with a bit of luck. Weather has markedly improved from yesterday. It's of course bank holiday Monday today, so I'll get moving and see what I can put out. Look over the Highfield Pond actually today, see what's there. I've just been watching a little, it's either a little chiffchaff or a willow warbler, a whole bunch of nest materials at its beak, and someone came along the path and it is gone, and I'm just going to sit here for 5 minutes, see if I can get this. I think it was a chiffchaff, but I was a little bit far away. It was just about to go down, so I'll see if I can get it. Yeah, I've just seen that warbler go in there, so I've definitely isolated the, it's gone back in. Yeah, isolated the area there. It's not making the little call that the chiffchaff normally does when it's taking that nesting material in there. It's quite silent when it moves in. Keep an eye out, see him a couple more passes in. Yeah, there's another one. It's not making the call. Oh, it is. It is. And out. Yeah, I think that is a chiffchaff. I think it is a chiffchaff. Right. Yeah, I know where that is now. Yeah. That's it in there. Hope you can get that. But I don't want to trample any further. Yeah, that's the chiffchaff nest there. Just putting that earliest little woven dome construction in there now. That's the 3rd one, and then it'll feather it. Just to show you in here, there's a new chaffinch nest going in there. I've seen the bird, but yeah, it's just a little early construction, that one. There it is. Hope you can get that. Yeah, it's a better shot there. But yeah, I spotted it going in, and there it is. A little bit lower, this one. Yeah, nice one. That's a beauty little robins in there. How many's that got? Looks like 4 eggs. Yeah, that's a nice one. That's the robin nest. 4 eggs there, tucked away. Nice one. I've just managed to get a little bit closer there. You can see more eggs in there. So 7 eggs in there. See the coloration of them just in this green. Lovely little nest. It's a beauty. Yeah, the moorhen, the woggy hen. What a hen. Can't believe that change in the weather this afternoon. It's about 1:30ish. Absolutely pouring down here now. I'm sheltering under this holly. Took right in. Oh man, a few decent finds actually today. Started off well this morning. But it's just halted progress this at the moment. I was tacking the last hour and a half for some updates. I don't know if I'm going to get to them actually. I'll see. Just an update in this little shrub. The blackbird, I just retrieved that. Had chicks last time. They're quite cool actually. Check back in on the Mistle Thrush. See what that's got. No bird. Well, a little commotion at the song thrush nest because the chicks are out. There's a little fledgling there. There's a little beauty. Aye, they're all out.